Step 1, boil your water. Step 2, mush up some avocado with some sea salt. Next is we're going to toast some sprouted bread. Now, sprouted bread for most people is easier to digest because the grains have been sprouted. It's also lower in carbohydrates, lower for your glycemic index. It's higher in fiber and usually higher in protein too, so it's just a better alternative. It's also much, much crunchier, and I think a really crunchy piece of toast is the key to avocado toast. Now our water is almost, well, it is boiling as a matter of fact, so we're going to crack some eggs in there. What kind of eggs do we use? Pasture raised. That's right, pasture raised by a tender hand on small family farms. Wish me luck. I know that there's a special going everywhere. I forget there's a special way to do it, but you know what? Who's got time for special? Cold water or something? I don't know. But we're going to make 3 eggs because Brett's going to have 2, and I'm probably just going to have 1. There we go. Butter, sure. I just love a poached egg. This tool right here is the key to making a good poached egg. And now what you want to do is you just want to give that little egg a little bath. So you just get a nice thin little coating over the top of that yolk. That's no joke. The yolk is no joke. I turned the heat down because I've been told by the peanut gallery that I overcook things and I use too high a heat. And you know what? People who use a medium heat are people who have too much time on their hands, because the rest of us, those who have a lot of things to do, we know that it is the key to all quick cooking is to cook on high. Duh. You get things done faster. I don't know where that little, what even is that? That was in this pan, which means whoever washed the dishes didn't do a good job. It's probably me. Whoops. See, listen. Can you even tell how crunchy this toast is going to be? It's so good. Why are you constantly stalking me? I can't do anything without you just staring at me. But I don't mind because you're just so cute. You're so cute. Uh-oh. Let's turn that down. See? Cooks perfectly. It's literally cooked perfectly. And now we're just going to scoop these suckers up. Yeah. All right. Let's get some plates going. I gotta jump over the freaking dog. Alrighty. We are watching this in real time, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're going to take, this is not something I should be doing one-handed. All right, stand by. I'm going to put the camera down. Oh, Lord, it's already a mess. Okay, so first we got to clean up this plate, which you do. I'm sure this is what they do in the fancy restaurants too. They just, it's my husband. He can deal with it, okay? Now it's a pretty plate. My sister won't throw a fit. We put the avocado. That's a lot of avocado. I know it is. And that's okay, because it's a healthy fat. Yummy. Now we'll sprinkle a little bit of salt. Yes. Pepper, where's the pepper? Whoopsie. Okay, now, time for the eggs. Okay, we're straining the water from the egg. Get on there. Oh, egg number 2. Let it drain. Yes. Oh. what? Let's clean up that plate a little bit. I mean, just so we look a little bit more professional. I mean, just clean that up a little bit. Right? Now it really looks professional. Oh my gosh, I wish I had some garnish. Now we're gonna add a little bit of flavor, God, just a touch. Okay, that looks pretty. I think we'll put another little pinch of salt on there. Pinch of salt. Should we put some pepper on there?
Yes.
Okay. Listen, I can do this. I don't need you telling me what to do over there, sir. I know what I'm doing.
Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this.
Look at, I even got you.
It smells so good.
I got you a CUTCO knife even.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Do you want anything else to go with your Kool-Aid?
No.
What is that actually?
Kombucha.
Oh.
Pomegranate kombucha. So good.
Oh, you're just gonna bite into it, huh?
What am I supposed to do?
I don't know. I would cut into it, but.
Oh my god.
Is it a drippy egg? Well, you're not even to the egg part.
It's really good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What are you doing?
I just want to see how the
Stop
egg.
poking my food.
I just wanted to see if it turned out kind of drippy.
See, this is why you shouldn't be a cook, because you don't. Cooks don't. You deliver the food, then you don't just start cutting into it. My food.
Okay, I finally remembered that I'd ordered these off of Amazon for just this purpose, so I'm gonna make another one. You ready? It might make it too perfect looking though, you know what I mean? You know, like McDonald's has like their perfect little eggs and it just feels weird. But I do like this. It's like a, I don't know what you call it, but I like it. I'll figure out what it's called, but look at, it's gonna make it just perfect. Now, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna remove it now because I really don't want it to be too perfect. Yeah. Woo! For mine, I'm adding some pitted black olives because I freaking love black olives. She's almost done. I like my eggs a little more runny than Brett does. Brett likes his almost cooked all the way through. I want to see drippage. It's gonna be good, y'all. Am I making you hungry?